Hey guys, it's Ty the Real Estate Guy. With the market changing, is it still a good time to buy a house? That's the question I get asked all the time. With mortgage rates where they are, the traditional method isn't that great. But behind me here is a property that we just purchased on a creative financing system. The terms were great for both the seller and us as the buyers, so it made sense for us to go ahead and move forward with this property. We're not sure if we're gonna rent it out or do something else creative with this property, but I'm gonna give you a quick tour of it today and see what you think. Before we step inside, I just wanna point out that yes, it's a bad market, it's a tough market, but in tough markets, there's always great opportunities. So you always wanna be on the lookout for maybe something that's gonna make sense for you and your family. And if you're looking to buy or sell a house here in Utah, we have ways to help both buyers and sellers. If you're looking to buy, we can help you find a property like this where the seller is willing to do something creative and get you a better rate than what the bank is offering. If you're looking to sell, we can actually help you make money above and beyond your current interest rate. You can move out, get a nice down payment. Let's go step inside. Okay, from the outside, you can see that it's a 2-car garage, but it's extra wide, 2-story home. And you're gonna love the backyard on this thing. What do you think? Okay, so stepping inside here, you can see nice long hallway. They've done a lot of extra work here, you can see. Added some unique lighting features. And right here, got a little coat closet. You can see the stairs here. You got an office here with double doors. Nice big room here. Step into the corner of these rooms to give you guys a feel for size. So you see stepping here in the corner. Perfect for an office right at the front of the house. And next we have a bathroom here. Toilet, and then of course, you have your tub here. Let's peek inside just super quick. Show you what you got there. Then you have bedroom number 1 right here on the main floor. It's gonna step in this corner here. You can see a fence out there, so the yard is mostly fenced. I'll show you that in a minute. Got some nice flooring here. Let's go and take a look a little closer at the floor for you if you want. Stairs to that side. That's gonna be your garage. Okay, let's just peek inside the garage real quick. They're actually coming back. We've closed on this property. They're actually coming back to grab everything here later today. Nice, long family room. They've done, like I said, here you can see they've done extra work here with the walls. Step in this corner, give you a feel for space and size. You see, look at the giant windows going out to the backyard. Over the kitchen, slide across this way. Give you a view of the kitchen here. You can see the front door. House is done really nice. Pretty new house. Got a nice big corner pantry. And look at that. Perfect dining area there. Refrigerator will go right here. You can see the big corner pantry and then double ovens. Dishwasher is here in the island, along with the sink there. And then you can see you've got a gas range here and your microwave. And on a sunny day, I was here when it was really sunny. This is a nice big open space. I love having the dining area out of the way of the rest of the house. And then we're gonna step out in the backyard because this backyard is actually massive. Got a nice little deck here, Trex deck. And look at the size of this backyard. Like I said, you can see it's mostly fenced. This is a nice quiet neighborhood in Eagle Mountain, Utah. And then you got a little patio down here as well. So let's go ahead and go upstairs and we'll check out the basement last. Oh, let's rewind. Check out this wall here. Just show you some of the extra work they've put into this house to make it a little nicer than normal. Give it some character. And then up the stairs as well, you can see, kind of cool, right? So that's a master bedroom right there in front of us, so we'll hit that last. But spinning around here, you can see, you got a nice open loft area. Step in the corner here. Laundry room straight ahead. We'll hit that in just a minute. Okay, so this is bedroom number 2. Remember, bedroom number 1 was down there on the main floor. And a nice little walk-in closet here with a light, bonus. And then you got a little linen closet here and another bedroom. Let's go and step in really quick. Just once again, show you the closet and the space here of this room. Okay, now we'll check out the bathroom, which is just right next door here. So in this corner here, show you how big this counter is here. All right, now check out the laundry room and then the master bedroom. Okay, you can see here, nice big laundry room. You got your upstairs furnace right here, and then the master bedroom. So I'll step into the far corner there to give you a feel for size of this room. See, that's a nice size room here. And then the grand master bath. Right here you can see you got double sinks. Got a garden tub here behind you with privacy windows. Got a nice large walk-in shower as well. And then the toilet area, along with a walk-in closet. So I'll step into the corner here, give you a little bit better feel for the size you got here. Okay, that's the upstairs, so now we'll head down to the basement. Okay, the basement is unfinished. Kind of show you what the spacing is like down here. So when you get down here to the bottom, you got this nice open area here, window, and you got the plumbing right there for a future bathroom. You got a possible bedroom back here, fitness room, whatever you want. And then come down this hallway here, you can see a nice, huge open area. Once again, you could add some bedroom space down here if you wanted to, or just do a big open room for gatherings, right? See how big that space is? So much space here to do whatever you want. Let's just take a quick look at what we got here. So you got the water heater, the electrical panel, and the furnace that goes to the main floor. And when you finish the basement, this should also carry the load for that. All right, guys, if you're looking to buy or sell a home in this market, like I said at the beginning of this video, we have creative ways to help you maximize how much you sell your house for or minimize your monthly mortgage payment on the house that you purchase. Creative financing is older than America itself, and we really have it dialed in to take care of our clients the best way possible. If you're looking to buy, sell, build a home, or invest in Utah real estate, I get contacted all the time. Please don't hesitate to reach out to me. If you have questions or comments, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below. And of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and ring the little bell to be notified each time I post new videos. Also, you can find me on Instagram at Ty, the real estate guy. If you found this video helpful or you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up and we'll catch you next time.